Marshall former Eagle House, built in 1910 in the Foursquare style. Built on property purchased by S. Benton Langfit from the First Methodist Episcopal Church in December 1909, John Marshall and Rebecca Paul Marshall built this home beginning January 1910. Marshall, a busy Parkersburg attorney, represented the third successive generation of that family in the legal profession. In addition to his work as a lawyer, he was also director of the Smoot Advertising Company, Parkersburg, Ohio River Bridge Company, U.S. Roofing and Tile Company, and was a member of several college fraternities. Marshall constructed this elaborate American Foursquare with beautiful mahogany and oak trim, courting pocket doors, floor-to-ceiling bookcases, servant stairway and call buttons, and a magnificent 180-degree winding stairway. The Marshalls lived in the home until 1927, when Marshall's law partner, the Honorable Charles D. Forer, purchased the property. A West Point Academy graduate, Judge Forer served as lawyer in the Parkersburg area for nearly 50 years. A loyal and faithful member of Trinity Episcopal Church, Judge Forer was a Spanish-American war veteran, secretary of the Henry Logan Children's Home for 25 years, a Mason and a member of the Parkersburg Elk Club No. 198. At the death of the judge in 1942, his son, Charles Jr., maintained the home until 2008, when it was purchased by Tom and Janine Eagle.